Okay, based on our values, taking the inputs, it will changes. Anyway, the system is non-causal system. System is non-causal system. Okay, finally, negative values. That means y of t equal to, I'm considering x of minus, okay, n కాదు t రాసి x of minus t, x of minus t. Which type of system it is? There is no response. Which type of system?
Non-causal.
Non-causal or causal. Zero substitute చేసి జీరో వస్తుంది ప్రజెంట్. పాజిటివ్ వన్ ఇస్తే నెగిటివ్ వన్ వస్తుంది, నెగిటివ్ వన్ ఇస్తే పాజిటివ్ వన్ వస్తుంది. ఓకే, ఓన్లీ జీరోకే సేమ్ వస్తుంది. ఇఫ్ యూ గివ్ పాజిటివ్ వన్, ఇట్ గివ్స్ నెగిటివ్ వన్. ఇఫ్ నెగిటివ్ ఇస్తే పాజిటివ్ వస్తుంది. అగైన్ పాజిటివ్ ఇస్తే నెగిటివ్, నెగిటివ్ ఇస్తే పాజిటివ్ వస్తుంది. కాబట్టి అంటే ఏంటంటే మనకు వన్ ఇచ్చారు అనుకోండి, if you substitute the positive values, it automatically negative values. Negative values means it is a past values. Past values we consider it. If you given the negative values, it gives the positive values. It gives the positive values. What it become is in these two cases, these two, minus 1 become plus 1, minus 2 become plus. That is, here it is future values. It depends on the system, depends on the future values of input. Future values of input. Once the future values, it depends on the future, means the system is non-causal system. This is also non-causal system. Non-causal systems. Okay. Do you have any doubt regarding the causal, non-causal, static and dynamic? I think complete exercise is over. Okay, next we will see the remaining, that is linear and non-linear. Non-linear, linear already started. Okay, with this actually very important topics, system types of systems. One question is compulsory in any set. Find the system characteristics. Which type of system it is? Is the system, is the equation satisfying? Is linear, non-linear, static, dynamic, causal or non-causal? And with a clear explanation, you can explain it. They will say that they will give only one equation. Based on that, we have to apply the operations to find the system characteristics, which type of system it is. Okay, next we will see the linear. What are the linear characteristics? What is the system? When the system is said to be linear, if it satisfies the following conditions. What are the conditions? It must be
Principle of superposition.
principle of superposition and
homogeneous.
Homogeneity.
homogeneous కాదు, homogeneity. Homogeneity means scaling. If input is scaled, output also scaled. That is homogeneity. Okay. One by one we check it. Check the linearity of the system. That means system is linear or non-linear. Whether the following system is linear or non-linear system. Okay, we'll start with the differential equations. Actually, systems are described by the all the, that means system means combination of RLC circuits. In the RLC circuits, equations we write resistor voltage equation V equal to I into R plus 1 by C into integral I dt plus Like that, it may be in the differential form or integral form. L into dv by dt. L into dv by dt. Like that, we can write in the differential equations. That's why maximum all the equations are in differential equations. We will consider mathematics. Here we are using. Here we are using. See here, the equation is d square y of t. Where is the book? D square y of t.
Okay. So if we get 3 electrons and 3 holes, what happens to the current? Current will decrease or current will increase? If electrons and holes are more.
D square
Yes. So what is the definition of current?
y of t
Electrons is the definition of current.
divided by dt square.
In semiconductor, what will be there?
Dt square
In semiconductor, there
plus
so the current in the case of
2t
semiconductor is the combination of both
2t
holes.
y of t equal to 2t y of t equal to t square
What happens in the field?
x of t t square x of t. Is it equation is visible to all of you?
Then you have seen a diagram.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In the linearity, what is the checking condition? Linearity checking condition. First of all, if one if x1 of t produces output y1 of t, like that, then in the first case, the first equation is same equation we are writing d square y1 of t by dt square plus this is 2t y1 of t equal to this is square, I think square ಇದೆ. T square x1 of t. Okay, this is x1. Similarly, second equation we may write as that is d square y2 of t by dt square plus 2t y2 of t equal to t square x2 of t. x2 of t. This is square.
Electrons from inside will move towards
What I'm writing here it is first of all, if x1 of t produces an output y1 of t, then this is the equation. This is first equation. Similarly, this is first equation. In the second equation, if x2 of t produces an output of y2 of t, these two are clear. Linear combination means linear combination. I'm writing now. I'm writing linear combination of those equations. That means combining the both equations. Combining both the equations. Some A with the first equation and B with the second equation. That is A into D square y1 of t by dt square plus A into 2t y1 of t equal to A into, sorry, not equal, after we will write, this is first equation only, that is added to the second equation. This is first part of the equation. To that one I am adding second part, that is d square y2 of t divided by dt square plus 2 times the not 2 times, yeah, b I am adding factor b into plus second term also some b into 2t y2 of t equal to, finally first term is scaled by a, second term is scaling, this is scaling factor, that's why a into t square x1 of t plus b into t square x2 of t x2 of t. Okay, I'm writing that in the first form, in this form, that becomes d square by dt of d square by dt of, first one is, this is a into y1 of t, a into y1 of t plus b into y2 of t. Okay, this one is next. Next 2t into, that is 2t of a into y1 of t plus b into y2 of t, a into y1 of t plus b into y2 of t. Okay, is it clear? Are you there?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Next, final equation, that means t square is common in these two. Okay, square brackets I will use. A into x1 of t plus b into x2 of t, x2